like a major chord, you know, a major chord. A major chord may sound bright, you know, a major chord will sound bright. A minor chord will sound dark, and in art you have it's synonymous to art because let's correspond a major chord to, let's say, light. Light will make an object pop, and this is what illustrates this is how we get between art and music from a compositional standpoint. How to write, compose, I can arrange, I can transpose, I can transcribe, I can retreat music. I have a fundamental understanding of how music works, and you see a cross-platforming between mutually exclusive domains. Those are just big jargonic terms for, in music we have composition, arrangement. In art we have composition. You know, how you lay out the groundwork, how you lay out the foundation, how you lay out the shades and the colors, how you make an object pop, how you illustrate a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface. You know, you have composition, you have composition in music. Like in music, you have a major chord, like a major chord, you know, a major chord. A major chord may sound bright, you know, but the higher frequency